Hello, this is Will Sampson from FDMC Magazine and Woodworking Network. We're in the shop for a momentous occasion. We've been working on the X-Carve Pro to get it together and assemble it, all that. And we have completed all of the wiring. We've got limit switches connected on the motors. There's another limit switch connection there. And another one there. And you can see we have all the wiring up here on the head of the machine. We follow this around here. See, the wires are routed under the frame. They come all the way along down here. And then they're all connected into the controller box. All the axis motors are all here. The limit switches are all on this other side, all along here. And we have the HMI, the human machine interface connection there, a USB connection. The spindle motor is not hooked up yet, and that's in the instructions. This is the power cord. And that is now going to be hooked up. It has to be a non-GFCI connection. There it is, all plugged in. And now it's the moment of truth. Let's turn it on. We have ignition. And on the HMI, it also is lit up. So both lights, good connection. Pretty exciting. We still have a little bit more work to do to get it all adjusted so that it's ready to work. But it is connected. Exciting. Talk to you next time.